National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dunn County in southwestern North Dakota, northern Billings County in southwestern North Dakota, southern Burke County in northwestern North Dakota, central McKenzie County in northwestern North Dakota, eastern Williams County in northwestern North Dakota, western Montreal County in northwestern North Dakota, until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 10:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 10:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9:14 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Epping to 11 miles south of Ray to 5 miles east of Watford City to 7 miles west of Grassy Butte, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Watford City, Stanley, Newtown, Tioga, Killdeer, Ray, Powers Lake, Dunn Center, Arnagard, Wildrose, Epping, Ross, Battleview, Manning, Alamo, Lost Wood, Grassy Butte, Van Hook Park, Four Bears Village, and Mandaree. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.